The golden foil gleamed under the soft glow of the evening light, promising something rich, something indulgent, something mysterious. Inside lay one of the world's most coveted chocolates, a confection so exquisite that its recipe remained one of the best-kept secrets in the food industry. For over a century, this secret has been passed down through the hands of one family. Across 4 generations, a legacy built on passion, perseverance, and the ingenuity of one Italian who transformed his father's humble bakery into a multi-billion-dollar empire and gave the world a taste of chocolate unlike any other. This is the story of Michele Ferrero. Born in 1925 in the picturesque town of Alba, nestled between Turin and Genoa in northwest Italy, Michele grew up surrounded by the charm of his homeland, a region rich in vineyards, steeped in Roman history, and adorned with architectural wonders dating back to the 12th century. But Alba was more than just a scenic backdrop. It was the birthplace of a dream, one that would one day revolutionize the confectionery world. It all began with Pietro Ferrero, Michele's father, a skilled pastry chef with an obsession for perfecting the balance of cocoa and hazelnuts. The region was known for its prized hazelnuts, and during wartime, when cocoa was scarce, Pietro sought an innovative solution. His creation was a thick, chocolatey paste inspired by the local gianduja, but with a unique twist. He called it pasta gianduja and packaged it in small loaves wrapped in aluminum foil. A regional delight soon became a nationwide sensation. In 1946, Pietro and his brother Giovanni officially founded Ferrero, transforming their small bakery into a full-fledged company. But just as the business was taking off, tragedy struck. Pietro passed away at the young age of 51, leaving behind a legacy unfinished. The responsibility fell to his brother Giovanni and young Michele. Michele Ferrero learned the trade by closely following his father's footsteps. But when Giovanni passed away less than a decade later, the weight of an expanding empire rested solely on Michele's shoulders. He was heartbroken but determined. He had inherited more than just recipes from his father and uncle. He had inherited a vision. Determined to honor his family's legacy, Michele made a daring move. In 1949, he launched Super Crema, a creamy chocolate spread that was affordable enough for every Italian household. It was a game changer. Chocolate, which had long been a luxury, was now an everyday delight. But Michele was not done yet. He understood that a name could change everything. In 1964, he rebranded Super Crema to Nutella, a name that would soon become synonymous with happiness. The first jar rolled off the production line, and the rest was history. But Nutella was just the beginning. Michele saw beyond chocolate bars and spreads. He envisioned something for children, a sweet treat designed specifically for them. In 1968, he introduced Kinder, meaning children in German. With its creamy filling and irresistible taste, Kinder soon became a childhood staple across Europe and beyond. Yet Michele's greatest masterpiece was still to come. In 1979, he embarked on a journey of inspiration, traveling to the sacred grotto of Lourdes in France, where legend spoke of a vision of the Virgin Mary. Deeply moved, he named his next creation after the place, Roche. The result was Ferrero Rocher, a delicate combination of crunchy hazelnut layers wrapped in gold foil, an emblem of luxury, decadence, and celebration. With each product Michele crafted, he built not just a company, but an empire. He expanded Ferrero's reach across continents, set up factories across the globe, and secured Ferrero's place in history by fiercely protecting its recipes and brand. The Ferrero Rocher recipe remains so secretive that factory tours are prohibited, and the original formula is locked away in an Egyptian vault. As Ferrero grew, Michele remained deeply connected to his roots. He ensured the people of Alba, his hometown, thrived alongside his company. He invested in local infrastructure, funded social programs, and even established the Ferrero Foundation, offering education, healthcare, and opportunities to his employees. To this day, there has never been a single strike at a Ferrero factory, a testament to the loyalty he inspired. By the time Michele Ferrero passed away in 2015, he had become Italy's richest man, with a net worth of $25 billion. His chocolates had reached every corner of the globe, and his legacy was cemented in the golden foil of Ferrero Rocher. in the creamy spread of Nutella, and in the hearts of millions who had grown up savoring his creations. Today, the Ferrero Group remains in family hands, run by Michele's sons Giovanni and Pietro. The empire continues to expand, acquiring competitors, innovating with new products, and securing its place as one of the most beloved chocolate brands in the world. In 2018, Ferrero made a bold move by acquiring Nestlé's US confectionery business for $2.8 billion, solidifying its presence in the American market and adding brands like Butterfinger and Baby Ruth to its portfolio. Additionally, Ferrero has continued to expand its sustainability efforts, aiming for 100% sustainable cocoa sourcing and reducing its environmental footprint. Michele Ferrero's story is not just one of chocolate. It is a story of vision, resilience, and an unyielding pursuit of excellence. A story wrapped in gold, much like the confections that bear his name. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more.